Good morning. In the last class, we discussed about fractions, types of fractions, and the problems related to that. And I explained the concept of equivalent fractions, right? So, what do you mean by equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions means the same numbers but different values. That means 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. When I'm going to simplify this, see, this will be equal to 1 by 2. Both are same but represented by different values. So now, how to find the equivalent fractions for this number? For example, they are going to give find the equivalent fraction of this number. So how you should find? Just I'll show you one example. I'll take some 2 by 9. So they are going to ask find the equivalent fractions for this number. So what you should do now? So you can take any number. This is the question. So for this number, you should multiply for both numerator and denominator any same number. For example, 4, 4. 2 4s is 8. 9 4s is 36. So 2 by 9 and 8 by 36 are equivalent fractions. It's not a thing that you should take 4 only. Any numbers, any natural numbers you can take, but the thing is you should multiply from numerator and both the denominators. From both you should multiply, and the answer what you're going to get is called an equivalent fractions. Clear? So let us see the exercise problems. Yeah. So fill in the blanks. First, that is page number 49. Page number is 49. There, exercise 2. First main, fill in the blanks. See, they're given you the blanks. You have to just fill it up. Just 35 by 40. So here the box is there. See, 40 divided by 5 is how much? 8. So already I had said equivalent fractions means what? If they're equivalent fractions means either division or multiplication, it should be done with the same number. So here with 5 means here also with 5. See, 5 how much is 35 is 7. So your answer is correct. Clear? Now, same. B1. 50 by 60. So 50 divided by 10 is 10. How much is 50? 5 is 10. How much is 60? 6. Clear? Now C1. 64 by 72. So 64 divided by 8. How much you are going to eat? 8 how much is 64? 8 how much is 64? 8 8s. Okay, now if it's equivalent fractions means the number what it will be divided from numerator, the same number will be divided with the denominator. So 8 how much is 72? How much? 8 9s. Clear? Now 108 and 120. See, 108 is divided by, we don't know. They're given denominator 12. So if its denominator is 12 means it's understood here numerator also 12. So 12 divided by 120 means it is equal to 10. 12 how much is 108? In 12 tables when 108 comes, 12 9s are 108. Clear? Next me. Find an equivalent fraction of each of the following. You should find an equivalent fraction for each of the following. So there are two methods actually to find equivalent fractions. The one according to the procedures you have is take these two numbers, that is 45 and 65. You should find out the HCF of 45 and 65. Right, you know to find the HCF, right? You already have learned. So I'll find out the HCF 45 and 65. You can do it in any method, prime factorization, division method. So I'm doing it in long division method. So these two numbers goes from which tables? It does not goes from 2 as it is having your 5 in ones place. Right? You already learned in divisibility rules. That's why the divisibility rules are there so that it will be easiest for you all. 3, no. 4, no. 5, as they are having 5 in ones place, it goes from 5 tables. So 5 9s are 45, then 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Those who don't know can divide it here in a side. 5 1s are 5, 6 minus 5 is 1, 5 3s is 15. So answer is 13. Now does 9 and 13 goes in same tables? No. So HCF is equal to how much? 5. Right. Now, what number is here? 45. 45 is equal to 5 by 65 is equal to 45 divided by 5, 65 divided by 5. What HCF you are going to get? Just you have to divide for numerator and denominator. So when you divide 45 by 5, you're going to get 9. When you divide 65 by 5, you're going to get it as 13. So therefore 45, 65 and 9 by 13 are equivalent fractions. Okay, this is one method. The one more method what we are going to use is, see, just I'll write on 45 by 65. So just check it whether it goes from any same tables. As you all know, it goes from 5 nines are, 5 ones are, 5 threes. So 9 by 13. This is a simple method. But to get practice, just practice like this method. Clear, children? Now, B wants this. 48 by 108. 48 by 108. Now, I'll just teach in this my easy method. 48 is here. 108 is here. Okay? Yes. Now, what you should see is, you have to check these two numbers should go from same tables. That means you are dividing this number by 2 means this number also should be divided by 2. Okay? If you don't know, you can do it in a side here. Whether 2 is divided by 48. 2 2s are 4. 0. Next number is 8. 2 4s are 8. So it is divided by 2. Next 108 is here. 2 divided by 108. So 2 5s is 10. 0. Next number is 8. 2 4s are 8. So it is divided. So you can cancel it off here. See, 2 24s is 48. Then 2 54s is 108. So therefore 48 by 108 and 24 by 54 are equivalent fractions. Clear, children? This is easy method. Just practice this. The thing is, you should be knowing the tables properly. If you don't know, please just cross check it by doing division. Next, C one is 189 by 234. Now I'll write down that number 189 by 234. Now please check it whether that number goes from two tables. Does this 189 goes from two tables? No, because see, it has 9 in ones place. If it should be divisible by 2 means it should have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in a ones place. This is divisible by 2. So, but we can't do it. Go for next 3. 3. Whether this number is divisible by 3, what is the divisibility rules for 3? The sum of numbers 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Next, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. So, 9 is divisible by 3. So, it is divisible. So, please just do it in a side so that you will not go wrong. 189, 3 divided by 234. Divided. So, 18 is here. 3 how much is 18? 3 6 are 18 0 0. Next 9. 3 3s are 9. Next 21 is here. Nearby to 21 is 3 7s are 21. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4. 3 8s are 24 0. So this is 3 how much are 63s are. This is 78. So therefore 189 by 234 and 63 by 78 are equivalent fractions. Clear? Still two more problems are there. Please try to do it by yourself. Third main is check whether the following fractions are equivalent. They're given you two fractions. Your work is to check whether they are equivalent fractions or not. So the thing is, you will write down this 4 by 9 and 32 by 72. What you should do is, you should do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means like this. What you should multiply? You should multiply 4 into 72, then 9 into 72. So multiply 4 2s is 8. 4 7s are 28. 9 2s are 18. 1 7 9s are 63 plus 1 is 64. Are these two fractions equal? No, not equal. So if both the products are not equal, then these are not equivalent fractions. You can write both the products are not equal, thus 4 by 9 and 32 by 72 are not equivalent fractions. Clear? Now do one more question. I'll take B1, 42 by 70, 7 by 12. So first step is what? I should cross multiply it. 42 by 70, then 7 by 12 means what I should do? I should do cross multiplication. So cross multiply it. See, 42 into 12 is equal to how much? Then 7 into 70. So multiply 42 into 12. If you want, you can do it in a side, or those who know can do it directly. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now 1 2s are 2, 1 4s are 4. So how much you got? 504. Now 7 7s is 49, 0. Are these products equal? No. If both the products are not equal, means what's it understood? That means they are not equivalent fractions, right? You can write here both, as both the products are not equal, they are not equivalent fractions. Clear? One more. C1, 40 divided by 75, then 8 by 15. So what is the first step I should do? What is the first step? I'll write down the number, that is 40, 75, 8, 15. What I should do now? I should do the cross multiplication. Cross means numerator with denominator. 40 into 5, then 75 into 8. Multiply it. 15 4s is how much? 15 4s is 60. 1 0 is here. 8 5s are 40, 0 4. 8 7s is 56 plus 4 is 60. Now what you can observe? Both the products are equal. If both the products are equal, what it is understood? It is an equivalent fraction. So both the products are equal. Thus 40 by 75, 8 by 15 are equivalent fractions. Okay, so these three exercises there, just please complete it. Thank you.